The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Remove the footwell panel by pulling down and releasing the tabs from their catch. To access the cabin air filter, pull the cover of the housing to the left. The filter and all of its debris will immediately fall. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Both the old and new filters will have to bend a bit for removal and installation. Install your new AQ1247C filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing towards the front of the car. Line the edges of the cover with the catch tabs and slide it to the right to lock it into place. Reinstall the panel by aligning the tabs with their catch.